Good morning, everybody. It's Wendy here from Cloud 2020. Could be afternoon or evening where you are. And I'm just following on from my most recent video, which was to show you how the mobile app for Outlook from Dynamics 365 enabled us to use that kind of interaction between Outlook and the CRM, so Dynamics 365 Sales, so that we could record leads directly from our Outlook inbox and actually then track the email conversations. So I'm just going to show you the first part of this, which is to show you how that process is taken care of with Copilot for Sales. So you can see here that I've got my email, I've got it open. We would treat this as a lead because for this instance, I do not know this person, Wendy Clifford. I'm going to select Copilot for Sales, which brings up the pane on the right hand side. And then it is asking me if I want to save this email to Dynamics 365. Well, at the moment, I don't have a lead for this to save to. So what I'm going to do is select a type of record here. So from this point, I'm going to create a record as a contact. I'm going to call myself Wendy Test and use the same information. I'm going to call myself this. I'm going to add in my pretend email address. At this point, I could actually connect it to an account. I don't have an account, so I'm just going to add that in. It's going to ask me to search. There we go. There is one account there that I can choose. I can put in my telephone number. I can put in my mobile number. And the owner here, I could actually sign this to somebody else. But what I'm going to do is actually sign it to the contact, my user within CRM. And then I save it. It's going off and it's filling out all of that information within CRM and creating a new contact for me. And we'll just wait there for it to do that. And then it's bringing all of that information into it. So what I'm going to do is actually from there, if I wanted then to generate a new opportunity or any of those things, I could add those records in to be available to be created. But if I go back, I'm going to say I want to save the email to Dynamics 365, which means actually we're going to save it to the related contact, or I could save it against a new opportunity there. Get to the end of this process and save. And there it is going off and doing all that work for me, which is really useful. Slightly different approach, some different options being offered there. We have the opportunity to record directly in Dynamics 365 Sales using Copilot for Sales from Outlook. So hopefully that's helpful. Please do contact me if you're interested in any of this. And obviously we will put in contact details at the end of this short video, and it's my intention to do more of these, just to bring this kind of small moments where you could actually get some more information to use your Dynamics 365 solution or your sales app, your Power App, more effectively, and help your sales staff achieve more and win more sales.